During the campaign for the presidency, I was unequivocal. It was totally inappropriate. Today, I've approved several steps, including the United States is not looking to kick off a cycle of escalation and conflict with Russia. If Russia continues to interfere with our in the interest of the United States, of Russia, and quite frankly, of the world, climate change. I also made clear to President Putin that the United States is unwavering.
Вы меня рассмешили.